Hello everyone, we are here at Panasonic Life Solutions stall. We have with us Mr. Narayan Kumar. He is the Division Director of Industrial Section. So sir, can you please brief me about this expo?
Yep, this expo, as the name says, is for the industrial automation products. Basically, predominantly focusing on all the host of automation solutions. So from Panasonic standpoint, we are targeting or focusing on three variety of applications. One is, of course, the sensing applications, in which we have a host of sensors focusing on various ecosystems. Then we have the motion control as one of the another automation focus areas, in which we are demonstrating our servo systems. And the newly launched A7 servo is also part of it. And then we have the processing vertical as well, in which we are demonstrating our laser marker, which is meant for traceability applications. Yeah.
Sir, what are the major industries that these products would be catering to?
So everything under the manufacturing ecosystem, if you see, will have some piece of automation as a part of it. So largely, if I have to name a few, number one is automotive. So all the automotive end users, OEMs, and also the tier 1 customers form a very large part of the focus segment. But then if you look at, we have another manufacturing ecosystems like the packaging industry, the pharmaceutical industry. We have the laser cutting, for example, which is quite strong. We have got diamond cutting machine tool manufacturers. So various applications focusing on various ecosystems.
So how are these products different from the ones already existing in the market?
So as the manufacturing as a total ecosystem is evolving, right? So I think the need is to look at, in a very layman terms, is to produce large amounts in quite short spans of time, right? But howsoever maintaining the high degree of accuracy also. So while you increase the speed, the accuracy should also be maintained. So while we have a variety of automation solutions already existing, the newly launched products are actually focusing on very high degree of automation. So we would like to look at the A7 servo, where we have a 27-bit encoder, which is the highest in the industry. We look at the overall communication cycle, the overall response rate is quite high. So that is the focus area. And of course, as we move further, I'm sure there will be further products also coming, in terms of the overall evolving ecosystem. Yeah.
Can you tell me in detail about each product that we have launched today?
So we have this HLG2, which is called the laser displacement sensor. So this is, again, as I was saying, when the high degree of automation increases, so this is a contribution towards it. If you look at it, it is the fastest in terms of the sampling period, 100 microseconds. So from a measurement perspective. And if you can look at the demo here, so it is measuring the various heights on this bar at the bottom. So there are various heights which are not very visible to the naked eye, but from a demo point of view, it kind of measures that difference also at a very high speed rate. And then over there we have the servo system, which is the servo motor that we have launched called A7. It is Minas A7 as one product category we have launched. And the third one is a motion controller, so which is called GM1. And if you see, it can control in totality about 32 axes at one point in time. So we have a sensor, we have a servo system, and then we have a controller. These are the top three products which we are focusing on. Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for interacting with OEM Update.